Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel, guys and girls. Hey, a little bit of information, all the information actually. This video is going to be a really quick one. I am not joking, I'm serious. About, well, let's say less than 2 minutes. Control arm, front lower control arm information, when to replace them, when to replace the bushes, what your options are, and those camber adjusting pins, whether you need those and when to replace those or not. First thing I want to say, if you want more information than what I fit in this 2 minutes, you can search our channel, Prado 120 front lower control arms, LCAs, 120 LCAs, 150 LCAs, anything like that to it, a Land Cruiser. Search our channel, you'll find the info you need. If it's not there, it'll be coming in another video soon that goes for about 10 minutes, which I've just put together. Now, this is kind of like the intro for it. So what we got here is, for the Toyota Prado 120 or the Toyota Land Cruiser LC 120 is the front lower control arms. Genuine. It's the only way to get a genuine ball joint. This one here is with the arm. They're not sold separately. You can get aftermarket, but you know, the poor man pays twice thing. Bushes, genuine bushes. You can get just the bushes. You're looking at about $400 or $500 for those 4 bushes. And then all the labor, obviously, to change them. You don't get a new ball joint, and you could have trouble and bend the arms depending how bad they are. These camber pins, you don't usually need them. It's very rare that they're that badly stuck in. You can't get them freed up. Once you get them out, you just give them a good clean up, lube them up, put some rust protection on them, and get them back in there and look after the vehicle, keep it clean, put CRC, inox and stuff like that. Wash it all out. If you go to the beach, if you go in dirty bog holes and that, lots of fresh water, wash it out. And then it's always good to give it a spray, compressed air, drive it, get it hot, let it all dry out, right? So that's what you get in about 2 minutes. If you want more, subscribe, turn the bell on. Bada bing. We're not trying to sell your arms. We keep them in stock for vehicles in the workshop. They're here available for pickup or for VIP clients only in the VIP group. We can send them anywhere in Australia. Thanks for watching. See ya.